In the digital environment, this industrial fan is physically flawless, existing without friction, variance, or material defects. But physical reality requires coordinating tons of unstructured steel, iron, copper wire, and bulk plastics on a factory floor. Translating a digital concept into physical mass production without generating massive material waste requires a mathematically rigorous framework. In the automotive and heavy manufacturing sectors, that framework is Advanced Product Quality Planning, or APQP, a methodology designed to guarantee zero-defect quality across complex supply chains. The entire APQP system relies on the integrity of its foundational blueprint. If the underlying data structure of the product is flawed, the production timeline fails before a single machine is turned on. The bill of material provides that structural backbone. In APQP, the BOM creates a structured hierarchy that links every raw material to its specific assembly node. This relational database details every raw material, subassembly, and purchased part required to manufacture the final product. It dictates exactly what is needed and in what exact quantities to build one single complete unit. Without this specific architecture locked down, physical manufacturing cannot proceed. To build this framework, engineers logically deconstruct the product from the top down. Let's examine this deconstruction using our electric fan. Here, the complete unit occupies the top position as a single parent node. The final assembly is fractured into its primary functional subsystems, creating a parent-child hierarchy for the motor, blade, switch, wire, and base. The engineering team must categorize each child node as either bulk raw material, an internal subassembly built on site, or an off-the-shelf purchased component. Mapping the hierarchy is only the initial step. For the structure to be functional, critical metadata must be permanently attached to every node. Every item receives a unique alphanumeric code to prevent tracking errors on a fast-moving assembly line. Next, specific parameters for quantity and material type lock into the structure to dictate precise procurement needs. Finally, supplier identification data is mapped directly onto these components, establishing a strict lineage for the supply chain. This completed node tree serves as the architectural DNA of the product, ready to be processed through the APQP timeline. This document follows a dynamic lifecycle, evolving as it passes through the 5 strict phases of APQP. In Phase 1, planning, the team drafts a preliminary BOM based on initial customer requirements and broad expectations. In Phase 2, product design and development, CAD models are finalized into an engineering bill of material, or EBOM. The EBOM reflects the product's functional design as the engineers intend it to operate, though it does not yet account for the physical sequence of assembly. In Phase 3, process design, the manufacturing team reconstructs the EBOM into a manufacturing bill of material, or MBOM. The MBOM organizes the data strictly according to the physical sequence of operations and routing across the factory floor. In Phase 4, product and process validation, the MBOM faces a physical stress test during trial production runs. Discrepancies discovered during these trials trigger Phase 5, feedback and improvement, where revision protocols update the document to match assembly line reality. Once in mass production, facilities extract a specialized service BOM to manage post-production maintenance and organize replacement parts. By forcing this document through phase gates, APQP aligns theoretical engineering with factory physics. The validated MBOM serves as the primary data feed for the entire manufacturing ecosystem. APQP quality documents, specifically the process flow diagrams, PFMEAs, and control plans, pull their component lists directly from this central source. Beyond quality control, procurement algorithms use it to time material purchases, while finance departments rely on it to calculate total product cost. Because the entire system is heavily integrated, a single inaccurate data point multiplies exponentially across all of the connected departments. Entering an incorrect quantity digit or omitting a subcomponent entirely immediately poisons the data pool. A version mismatch, where engineering updates a part design but production pulls an outdated BOM revision, represents the most destructive failure. These errors create false cost estimates, trigger millions in incorrect purchasing, and compromise final quality control parameters. Maintaining strict revision control and eliminating duplicate entries is a matter of operational survival. To manage this complexity, modern manufacturing utilizes fully digital EBOMs. These electronic records live inside enterprise software ecosystems, such as product lifecycle networks and SAP ERP systems. Digitization enables real-time updates across all global departments, automates error tracking, and forces coordination between engineering and manufacturing teams. This digital execution feeds directly into the mechanics of lean manufacturing. By locking down absolute accuracy throughout the APQP lifecycle, facilities eliminate excess inventory waste and consistently hit zero-defect quality targets. The bill of material is the exact translation layer required to turn a digital design into repeatable industrial reality.